Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad like Pista House, only way. Start by poaching 3 chicken breasts until just cooked, then cool and shred finely. Toast pistachios and light spices separately to keep crunch and aroma. Mix chicken with yogurt, mayo, lemon, and a touch of honey for balance. Fold in nuts and diced apple for texture. Chill at least 30 minutes before serving for best flavor melding. Measure ingredients before you start so the process flows smoothly and you don't overwork the salad. Shred chicken, while warm for better texture, and toss with lemon immediately to prevent drying. Toast pistachios until fragrant but not burned to preserve natural oils. Creamy base needs balance, so taste for sweetness and acidity as you mix. Refrigerate the salad to let flavors settle for at least 30 minutes before plating. Keep techniques simple to get consistent results every time you make this salad. Shredding with forks gives a light, shreddy bite similar to restaurant style. Toasting nuts separately keeps them crunchy when mixed in and preserves texture. Start with a 1:2 ratio of mayo to yogurt and tweak for creaminess or tang. Final seasoning should be bold but balanced, so taste again after chilling and adjust salt or lemon if needed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.